welcome to Explore with Pratham. I am gonna teach you how to make a Lego boat in a few seconds. So these are all the pieces I have. So you need two of this, and you need a green. You need a green and a yellow piece. This should be rectangles. And you also need this piece, which has a green part over here. So you fit this at the back. So it will take some time. So here you see this? That is where you keep it. So next, you're gonna keep this on the green part. So then, when it closes, it hits the red part. So next, you can keep the human in. So after that, you need to block the sides like this. So now criminals could enter. You see that? So next, you will need to add these over here, and then you'll keep this here to attack, or not here, somewhere around here, so it's like a cannon. See, a cannon boat. So next, I'll ask my dad to put it on fast motion. If he doesn't, I'll just tell him to not.